Welcome for our tutorial. This is a tutorial intro for our next chapter called Camera Works. Camera works are the compositions, angles, sizes, shot framings, and the camera settings. Each and every most used camera technique there is will be used for our filmmaking tutorial series, and I'll try to add to all of them to our film project. Only goal, live your life. So for this tutorial intro, we're just gonna look around for our filmmaking, for our camera work. So here, selecting our camera. So this scene is not included for our project, but it's just a intro. So selecting our camera, then our data. Let's go to our viewport display, then composition guides, and here's our compositions. So there is thirds, the rule of thirds, which is used in here for our the key point, and here and here. So also here, it's the most used composition there is. And also the camera settings, which are here: the depth of field, our f-stop, aperture, and sensor, and focal length, and also the frames, the resolution, also resolution, the frames, and everything that is need to be discussed in our camera. Our main focus is the camera itself, and why. First, to teach them to you, and with the examples, of course. Then you can learn them and use them for your own filmmaking. Don't only consume knowledge, also use and practice your knowledge, and also produce it so that it will be strengthened or developed. To really master these camera works, you need to use them like this. This is just a simple animation, but I learned many things around here. First, the rule of thirds here, then also the animation of the camera, the position, its position, and why is it moving. That's the most important thing. Why is it there? Why is the camera showing this or that? And we're gonna discuss that for our next tutorials series. So how, like the four question for tutorial format: what, why, how, and when or where. For example, what is a camera? It is a tool that captures a scene and gives emotions to it. Like for this, it gives emotion when it's played. It gives emotion. The fast fun there gives emotion that it is fast like that, and it shows it. And also when played, the fast pull out here, and the slow motion here, which gives the vulnerability of the character, that it is helpless in this isolation. He is helpless like that. So why camera works first? Well, basically it is the first tool that you'll be needing to learn or master, and everything else will follow, like the camera, like the lighting, the sound effects, the blocking of the characters, and everything else will follow. When our first segment is compositions, we'll tackle the most used cinematic compositions there are. And using Blender and our project, I have some examples and explanations on why is it used for that particular shot starting next Tuesday. Thank you for watching.